Hello everyone, my name is Jan Heimes and I'm co-founder of Needle, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a custom chatbot to your landing page within a few easy steps with Needle. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to have to log into your Needle account. So if you don't have an account yet, please just log in. You can either use GitHub or Gmail to generate an account. Then you're going to generate a collection, and a collection is a set of files which are separated from all other collections. Give it a custom name, and here in this step we can select which model we want to use. In our case, this is lightweight. So in this case, we are going to our collection, and in our collection we currently have no files yet, so we want to add some files. So in this case, we can either add some PDFs, HTMLs and so on, or we can also add files which are URLs. Since we want to track the data which is on our landing page, we just simply add here the landing page. We can also add additional subdomains of our landing page. That means if you have other paths such as docs or some different paths which could be about page or your team page, which are not like necessarily information which you have in your landing page, please feel free also to add them by just clicking on the small right plus button here on the right side. Once you have all the pages selected that you want to index, you can go forward and generate your first widget. In that case, we want to go here and generate a widget, and we must say which domain we want to allow requests from. This is like a security parameter, and in this case we only want to allow requests that come from this domain to our chatbot. So now we have generated here on the fly two small code snippets, and they are used for different purposes. First one we are going to copy over and put in our general settings under custom code into our headers tag. So please do that and put the script there. So once you have done that, please take the second code snippet, which is this needle widget, copy it over, and in Framer you can create a new embedding. So search for embedding, then you click on embed. You create a custom component, which is an embedded component. And here in this case, we have to scroll down here on the right side for our embedding and go to HTML and paste over actually this 2 lines of code which you have just copied over from Needle. Once you have done that, you want to add your custom component now to your website. So you can drag and drop it and put it wherever you want it. So in this case, we want to make it fixed and set it to the lower right corner of our website. Once you're ready to publish. This should only take a few seconds. And now you're ready to go. So if we go now to our website, in the top right corner, as you see here, we have this needle widget, and we can ask questions based on the data that comes from your landing page. This allows your customers to actually interactively interact with the data that you're having on your website, especially if you have a lot of complex information. So this was it. Now you have a custom chatbot at your landing website where customers can interact with, and which doesn't hallucinate, is only based on your private data or the data which you actually have added to this collection. This could also be very interesting for you in case you're having Zendesk or some customer support ticketing system where you don't want to actually always interact with your customers and ask specific questions they are having, like having to handle them in the back end through a customer support team. Instead, you just feed in all your already existing tickets and the customer support tickets that have you resolved in the past, your FAQs and so on, and let the customer resolve their issues themselves with this custom chat integration on your website. So this can be really an enabler for you, saving a lot of time and reducing the time actually your customers also have to wait for a response. So it's an easy win-win situation. And that's all, and happy to chat with you anytime. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at needle-ir.com, or you can join our Discord channel and send us a message every time. Happy coding and have a great day.